छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा
Hatem is a bright and a happy 7-year-old. He loves coming to school. Ever since he joined school, his parents are even happier. They are dreaming of a bright future for their firstborn child. That he will move out of the drudgery, the poverty that has been their lot. Hatem is a first generation of English medium schoolgoers. His mother feels proud, making him ready for school.
हमारा बच्चे बड़े हम लोग नहीं पढ़े लिखे लेकिन हम बच्चे को अपना बच्चे के लिए हम पढ़ा लिखे जितना तक पढ़ सके हमारे बच्चे हम पढ़ा सकते हैं लेकिन हम तो नहीं पढ़े हैं हमारा आदमी नहीं पढ़े लेकिन हम बच्चे के जितना तक पढ़ लगे हम पढ़ा सकते।
Gunjan Foundation is realizing many a dreams. It brings for over 120 children from socially and economically deprived backgrounds quality education. Housed in Gurgaon, the DLF Swapna Sarthak School has teachers that take care and facilities among the best in the city. The rooms are bright and colourful. The swings and the playground beckon the children. They are provided with a smart uniform and stationery and books. A wholesome meal is served during lunch, all free of cost. The children learn in a fun way. They are on the path to learning and a better life.
डांस करने के लिए नहीं था वहाँ पे टीचर भी मारती थी और वहाँ की पढ़ाई भी अच्छी नहीं थी
लौंग दल शिकारा ओ बेबी तेरा जान से प्यारा ओ बेबी एवें चमका दिल साडा कि दिख गया प्यार ये पटियालवी
The school has had a calming influence on them. When they enrolled, many of the children were very aggressive, using swear words and getting into fist fights ever so often.
At first, they were very aggressive. Very aggressive. I had a very hard time. In spite of my long teaching experience, I had a very hard time handling their aggressiveness. Now, if you look at them, they are more calmed, peaceful, and they look forward to a class every morning.
And now, they seem to be at peace with themselves. They talk politely, and what is best is that they take pride in the manner in which they are turned out. No more torn or untidy clothes. They come to school in clean uniforms, with their hair neatly combed and nails that are cut.
They were very shabby and dirty when they came, but now we take care that they come very clean and tidy every day. They wear proper school uniforms with good shoes and combed hair. They have a bath every day. Most of them, they want to grow up to have a good, decent job in our office. Most of them want to be MBAs. Some of them want to join the police force.
My name is Abhishek. मैं पढ़ लिख कर पुलिस बनना चाहता हूँ. My name is Rupam Kumari. मैं क्लास 1 में पढ़ती हूँ. मैं पढ़ लिख के डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ. मैं बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना चाहती हूँ.
I hope we can set up more schools like this. We can provide quality education to the underprivileged children, and I'm sure in course of time, by the time I'm no more in the world, I will definitely see some of these kids where they should be at very high posts, either in the government services or in the corporate world.
Gunjan Foundation was set up in 2004 by Sushma Singhvi. Its aims at bettering the lot of the economically and socially deprived and the differently abled. At the same time, it is involved in encouraging debate and discussion on issues that impact the mind.
गुंजन की आवश्यकता तब महसूस हुई जब मैंने आसपास अपनी ही महिलाओं को सो कॉल्ड एजुकेटेड फैमिलीज़, संभ्रांत महिलाएं, मॉडर्न सोसाइटी, उन सब में ये सारे अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड जो सेक्शन थे उनको एक वितृष्णा मिलती थी कि अरे ये तो अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड है। और तब मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, उनको भी इस अवस्था में ज़रूर लाना चाहिए कि वो खड़े होकर हमारे साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चल सकें और लोग उन्हें एक ये नहीं कहें कि अरे ये तो अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड है, अरे इनको तो कुछ नहीं आता। यही सोच के मैंने गुंजन की स्थापना की।
In democracy, you can't depend all the time on the government, and that's why I have seen that Gunjan Foundation in the last few years trying to help weaker section women, weaker section children, because you need good education for those children. Nobody care for them who live in a juggi jhopdi. They don't have any good money with their families. They don't even have the food. And I think the Gunjan Foundation is doing a very good job to educate such poor people, poor children.
Therefore, apart from the school, it imparts vocational skills to underprivileged women. They are taught how to make candles, soft toys, and envelopes so that they can augment their household income. The products that they make are sold by the foundation at its outlet in S5 Breda Kailash 1, New Delhi. The girls go for the workshops also, and earnings go directly to them. They get rupees 300 and conveyance per day.
हम लोग स्टॉल भी लगाते थे, काफ़ी सारे स्टॉल भी लगाए, काफ़ी जगह में लगाए। दीपावली के टाइम पे फिर जो मेहंदी वगैरह का ओकेज़न होता है ऐसे, उसमें भी लगाए। और काफ़ी जगह में हम लोग ऐसे स्टॉल भी लगाए। काफ़ी होटलों में भी जब वर्कशॉप लगता था तो वहाँ पे भी हम लोग स्टॉल लगाए थे। ऐसे करके हमारे पहले हाउस वाइफ थी, फिर बाहर निकली, फिर आंटी के साथ जुड़ने के बाद फिर बाहर का दुनिया के बारे में भी जानकारी मिली। फिर वहाँ से फिर आगे के भी सब कुछ के बारे में देखा सुना। फिर आगे जाने का भी अकेले भी कहीं भी चली जाती हूँ अब, पहले से तो काफ़ी सुधार हुआ।
सैलरी सब कुछ ठीक ठाक मिलती है, काम धंधा सब, बच्चों को खाना मिलता है हमारों को। हाँ जी, हम खुद भी पढ़ रहे हैं, बच्चे भी पढ़ रहे हैं।
The foundation also provides artificial limbs to those who need them but cannot afford them. It has been donating walkers, wheelchairs, crutches, etc. Gunjan Foundation organized one camp for the handicapped people and donated 50 artificial limbs, hands, legs and calipers in association with Kiwani's Artificial Limb Center.
Mrs. Susma Singhvi of Gunjan Foundation, she did wanted to work with the disabled children and kids, so she came up, and our president Air Chief Marshal O.P. Mehra Sahab, so they decided that they will hold a camp annually. So we had a camp I think 3-4 years back, and then we had a lot of patients. We took their measurements and gave them limbs after complete training, and since then every time they keep sending patients to us, the Gunjan Foundation and Mrs. Susma Singhvi especially, and she takes a special interest. She makes sure that every patient who is referred by Gunjan Foundation should go back satisfied, and they should use the limbs very usefully.
Gunjan Foundation's interactive seminars on mind pollution were highly appreciated. Prominent social and religious leaders like Vishnukant Shastri, Dr. Karan Singh, Swami Nikhilanandji, S.S. Mehdi, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Dr. S.R. Manhot, Dr. S.Y. Qureshi, and Nalini Singh have held forth and answered the many questions put up by the audience. Recently, in July 2010, Gunjan published a book, Exploring Mind Pollution, which is highly appreciated by the people. Raja Ram Mohan Library has booked 375 copies of this book.
I would like to congratulate Gunjan. I have found that in the last few years, not a very long passage of time, Gunjan is able to establish itself authoritatively despite the already overcrowded Delhi scene as far as social welfare organizations are concerned. It has done so, I think, because it has always chosen socially relevant themes, themes which have a direct benefit, a use element for society, especially for the lower sections and the deprived sections of society. Two in particular I would like to mention. I remember a very important, relevant, significant and useful discussion on mind pollution many years ago, where I happened to be a speaker as a guest. I also find that their initiatives in the field of education are laudatory. There are several other areas, but I have found that despite their many activities, Gunjan has never lost its focus, its relevance, its attempt to reach out to the heart of those who need these activities or themes in society, not merely as a dressing room, drawing room approach, but as a very, very substantively relevant approach. I'd like to therefore congratulate in particular Mrs. Sushma Singhvi, who is obviously the moving spirit, and the fact that she has toiled ceaselessly and tirelessly for all these years to have made Gunjan reach the stage and the status where it has. And I am sure that when I wish them all the best for the future, I am sure that the best is yet to come.
And now Gunjan Foundation seeks your support. Help it in any ways you can. Make a donation. You can donate any amount. It costs ₹6,000 to see a child through 1 year of school. Come and teach. Volunteer your time. Reach out to those who need you the most.
We want to include a lot more children, not reject children, and also increase our classes. Currently, we are only till class 2, which we plan to increase every year. We plan to increase 1 class every year. And so to that end, and even after that, we face a crunch in resources to be able to, continue doing our good work. And ultimately, our dream is to finally build a residential school where the children have a healthy and loving atmosphere to grow. And to that end, we appeal that, help us as much as possible.
हमारा कंसेप्ट ये है कि जो भी कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के अंदर जो भी कॉर्पोरेट चाहता है वो हमें स्कूल बना के दे, उसको हम रन करें। तो उसी कंसेप्ट के अंदर हमने ये फर्स्ट स्कूल जो है DLF के अंदर हमने ये लॉन्च किया है।
Sushma Singhvi says, one good action is greater than 1,000,000 good intentions, because we judge ourselves by our intentions, but others judge us by our actions.
Gunjan Foundation, an NGO, has been diligently working for the last 10 years to uplift the economically weaker sections of society with education and income generating skills so that their lives may improve and they become self-sufficient. It is imperative that all of us who are committed to the welfare of the underprivileged facilitate them, provide them with knowledge, with education, with their responsibility and opportunity, so that they may share in the country's resources and nature's resources.
Donations can be sent to Gunjan Foundation, S5, First Floor, Red Kailash 1, New Delhi 110048. Our phone number is 011-410-16762.
ज़रूरत होती है जब बच्चा चलना सीखता है, तो मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि जब हमारी जैसे NGOs जो खोल के एक सिंसेरिटी से इफ़ दे वांट टू वर्क, तो उनके साथ अगर कोई हाथ पकड़ के जैसे बच्चे को चलना सिखाते हैं, वैसे अगर हमारा कोई हाथ पकड़ ले तो शायद हम समाज में जो हम जागृति पैदा करना चाहते हैं वो कई गुना आगे जाएगी।